A lot of Honda owners see the CMBS warning, CMBS problem error message. What is CMBS? It's Collision Mitigation Braking System. So this is the system that uses the front radar sensor and also the front camera that observes the road to brake before something bad happens with your vehicle. So it automatically brakes. And when you see the CMBS problem, it means that the system can't see the obstacles, can see the other cars on the road, and it will not automatically brake. Or your car may start braking when it's not needed. And there is a huge problem with this CMBS system in 2017, 2022 Honda vehicles. At least this is what the NHTSA is now inspecting and investigating. So the problem with the CMBS means that your car may just brake suddenly when there is nothing on the road, and why it's very bad, because someone may rear-end you in this moment and you will actually be in charge of the accident. So it's not the very common problem, and there were about 70 or 80 cases registered officially with the NHTSA. And if you have this issue with your vehicle, register these with the NHTSA in order Honda finds some solution. This will urge Honda to find some solution for this, like software updates or maybe the radar sensor replacement or something like that. So register this if you have this problem. Now, when you see this CMBS problem warning, what can you do? First of all, it's pretty clear that you need to make sure that the radar sensor in your vehicle is clean, the radar sensor area. In Honda cars, it's very often near the Honda logo. So under the Honda logo, behind the Honda logo, you will have this radar sensor. You need to clean this area from snow or any other blockage if it has this blockage. Also, one more thing to do is to check whether the camera is okay. The camera is usually located in this area behind this mirror. So you will find this camera, and maybe the spider is sitting there or something, like maybe the window is fogged or some other problem is blocking the camera view. And if something blocks the camera view, you will not have a lot of functions working, including the adaptive cruise control and also CMBS. Now, one more thing to do is to deactivate and activate the CMBS system. So you can do this in the settings of your car. It's pretty easy. When you deactivate it and then activate it in some time, this may reset the software. This may make the software work properly for some time. If you experience any issues with automatic braking in your car, just deactivate the CMBS. This is very important. This is the safety concern. So deactivate the CMBS system and don't activate it till Honda finds the solution for this problem. As of now, Honda doesn't say anything officially. They are waiting for the NHTSA inspection to finish and to give some results. So Honda doesn't have any recalls, any bulletins for this, no software updates or anything else.